Hello everyone, welcome back to the last, the most useful, the most important part of this tutorial. This is Google Slide tutorial part 3, and in this tutorial we are going to learn 4 main things. The first is how can we insert the object in the slide. The second is how can we edit the images in the slide. Number 3 is how can we present our slide to a meeting or on the device. And the fourth, the most important part is how can we create editable link of this Google slide. I will try my best to cover all these 4 topics in the least time in a very short video. Let's open the application. Here is our presentation. Let's edit these slide. Click on edit, and here is our slide 1 and slide 2. So first was how can we insert the object in slide. To insert the object, we have here plus symbol. After tapping the plus symbol, we will get a menu of so many options like comment, text, image, shape, line or table. So these are the things we can add to our slide. So under the shapes, we get so many options like basic shapes are here. We can add arrows, we can add flowchart, callouts, equations, and we can also add a text box and image. Let's add one image here. You can either click from camera or direct from photo. So let's choose from photos, browse your image, and let's choose one image. So here is our image on the slide. So this was how you can add any image to your Google slide. The next was how can we edit the image within the Google slide. For this, select the image, and at the bottom of the screen you can see there are some edit options like we can crop the image. By tapping on the crop option, you will get these black bold lines. Adjust these lines to crop the image like this. Now we have a small image only. So we have the main part of the image. The next we get some adjustments here. We can adjust the transparency, we can adjust the brightness and contrast also. Also we get more options at the upper side of the screen. We have A option. Tap here and we will get the option of border color, border weight. Border weight is nothing, the size of the border or the width of the border. The next is border style, and after that we have the same adjustments like we can add the brightness or contrast. We have drop shadows also, like we can add a shadow to this image, but here the shadow will not be visible because we have a black theme applied to this slide. After that we have reflection. We can enable the reflection. The distance should be least and you can adjust the size. You can see a reflection is here at downside of this image. So this was how you can edit the image within the Google slide. Moving to the next, the third was how can we present our slide. For this we have a play button at upper side of the screen. You can see at the center. Tap here and we will get 3 options. First is present on this device. So you can use this option to see how it will appear to your meetings. Let's tap on it. It will take a little time to load, and here is our presentation. Go back, and another option is present to a meeting. If you have any meeting to present this slide, you can enter your meeting ID here and can join from here. Cancel it. And another way of presenting this slide to a meeting, you can present this slide on your device and can share your screen on the meeting. Like if you are using Google Classroom or what we say Google Meet, so you can present your screen while presenting this slide. So this was how you can present these slides. Moving to the last, the most important part of this video, that how can we create editable link of this Google slide. What are editable links? Editable links are those links that you can share to others so that others can also edit your slides. For this, you can see a symbol is here at the center of the screen. At upper side is a person having a plus symbol. It is like share symbol. So tap on it. You will get an interface like this. At the bottom side of the screen you will see a lock. It is restricted. So tap on this lock and it will look like this. It is saying that only people added can open with this link. Means whosoever you will share this link can open this slide only. So to change this, tap on the change and you will get so many options like viewer, commenter, editor. So what do you want? So do you want others to view only? Do you want others to comment, or do you want others to edit your slide? So choose any option. For now I am choosing this editor. Tap on it. It will take a little time to apply the settings. Now to get a link, tap on this link and at the bottom side the last option is copy link. So now let's copy this link. The link is copied. Now you can share this link to whosoever you want and those people will be able to edit your slide like whatever they want. So that was all for this video. There are a lot more useful videos on my channel. Do visit to my channel IT Paradigm, and also if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon so that you can never miss any update of useful videos like this one. That's all. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.